Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to Redmi 4 Turbo. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now hit the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi device and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Redmi. Also on Xiaomi, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. Then, wherever you decided, just wait. Close an ad. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!